You now have your talents, your passions, and your expertise, and these are all internal elements that will guide your first course's topic. The fourth element is all about more external elements, which revolve around market demand. And we're not simply talking about creating a course, but to create your course business. So external elements are crucial for success. That's why we're now wrapping up the internal thinking we've been doing. By now, you should have the following elements written down. And by the way, if you are a little bit like me and you skipped some of the assignments, here's your chance to catch up. But just know that you need time to get this right. So don't rush it, don't rush this part, and do this properly. So here's what you have by now. Your initial gut feeling about your course topic. Before you did any introspection, this is what you came up with. This is your literally gut feeling. You also have 1 or 2 talents. You have 1 or 2 passions, and you have 1 or 2 areas of expertise. Now, we will start with each first answer you gave. So put a circle around it. That's what we go with, because you ranked them before writing them down. Check for yourself if you have them all. If you do, let's move on to the next part to thoroughly check the market demand and understand the ultimate transformation or exit station people are searching for. And don't worry, I will explain everything about this concept in the lectures about the subway framework in later lectures. Let's move on to the lectures about how to look for hidden clues about the market demand in the next video lectures. And note, in case you still have doubts about your list, I will leave an example of my own personal list as a handout in this lecture. I'm not showing it here in this video because it might only confuse you, as this is very personal and your list will have probably nothing in common with mine. So chances are that if you see my list, that you will start to have doubts about what you did so far. So if you don't need any example, I'm asking you to not look at that list. If you do need an example, of course, the list is there for you. I'll see you in the next one.